Hi, my name's Hattie Anderson and I'm the Fit Cancer Program Coordinator. Come on in and I'll show you where our exercise instructors do our exercise. While you guys are at home exercising, we're in here in the PATP lab space exercising with you. So we'll have you on Zoom here. We got our workout posted, ready to go for you guys. Fit Cancer is an 8-week long program. We exercise once a week with you over Zoom. Before the program starts, we'll have you get medical clearance and we'll also send you a package with some goodies in it. Within that package includes some resistance band sets with varying resistances, along with a Fitbit, which is a fitness tracker. Before the exercise program, we'll also have you do a fitness assessment, and we do this for your safety so we know where you're at fitness-wise, but then also so we're able to modify our exercise classes to best fit you. After the 8-week program, we'll also do a post-program assessment to evaluate how far you've come within that 8 weeks. Thanks for watching, and we're really excited to work with you soon.